God is saying. Many of your problems have been coming from expectations that you have. Stop expecting things to go your way and instead be present in the moment. You don't need to worry. I love you. If you seek forgiveness, know that I have forgiven you. You are forgiven. You don't need to worry any further. I forgive you. Be calm. I love you. I can and will restore you. Give me your concerns. I love you. You may be in a tough time, but the devil always fights you the hardest when he knows I have something great in store for you. Don't give up. When you pray to me, be genuine. Tell me when you're angry at me. Tell me when you're confused and scared. I want to listen to how you truly feel. It is okay to feel angry, scared and confused, and it is okay to communicate it to me. I need you to stop being negative. You have been putting yourself down for quite some time now. You are not who you keep telling yourself you are. You are greater and loved. You are awesome, my child. I love you. I will provide the justice. I am sorry for the people who have hurt you. Lean on me for strength. Sin will go unpunished. I love you.